welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lorraine Marie and I'm back with another reaction for you guys. And you already know, before we get into this video, hit that button down below. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Today we have another Matt Rife reaction, roasting a stripper. I have nothing against strippers. I really don't. Listen, however you live your life is how you want to live your life, and that's that. But as far as, I just know this is gonna be hilarious. He always got a little good, like, little joke. Like, little joke. And I feel like Matt right now is probably one of the top upcoming comedians. I feel like he's been doing comedy for a while, but he's like really blown up over like TikTok and YouTube and stuff. So we just want to give him his flowers. And comment down below, who is your favorite comedian? We're gonna get right into this video. Did he say she has a stripper boyfriend? Her boyfriend's a stripper? In the poor section.
So? Good for her. Is he hot?
Yes, thank you.
So, yeah. Doubt it.
I want to see this
money? Man. Hold on, who said no? You said no?
How
did you used to be one?
Oh!
Did you really? How long ago? A while. Yeah. You're looking at Mr. February, 1991. You might not.
And I think, honestly, the stripper game has changed over the years. I don't know what it was back then, but I just feel like as of now, it's just blown up so crazy. So I do feel like a lot more people make a lot more money in the stripper industry. I could be wrong. I honestly don't know, because I'm not a stripper. I don't know how much strippers make. I really don't know. I know there's like really low budget strippers, and then there's like higher class strippers, depending on who you are. I guess it's just depending on who you are.
Leave my looking at me. Are there any good strip clubs in Liberty?
See?
No.
No.
I know. Not from down here though. No.
Columbus.
About an hour west of Columbus. No.
Diamond.
The Diamonds? Oh, you guys work there? Do you really? Oh, ballet? Do you have one stripper name?
Ivy.
Like Poison Ivy?
And her hair's red.
His dudes be leaving your lap dances itching.
Ivy, isn't Ivy like green? What, like, what?
You gotta change that immediately. How that wasn't the first thing you thought of is beyond me.
I have no idea.
Why'd you choose that one? Was Poison Oak taken? Oh, so like the superhero. Is she a villain or a hero? I don't think so.
I
think I can Google. Poison Ivy is. I think she's a villain. Who are you here with? Hi, sister and friends.
Hi,
do you guys work
sister
in the same
and friends.
place? Not yet.
They plan
Probably
on
not
it.
good that you think your new job is gonna fail. That's not a good outlook to have. Where do you work now? See you a stripper.
So you're a stripper.
I didn't really have this many strippers in one show.
That's crazy.
I feel like it's usually rush hour for y'all. Friday night, about midnight. Man. Didn't forget about you. What was your stripper name? What's that?
What?
Jalapeno?
Oh my goodness. Somebody should have told him to change that too. I don't know. If I had a stripper name, I wouldn't know what my stripper name would be. I don't know. I've never thought of that. I've never thought of being a stripper. That's crazy. And the car goes wild.
I wish I had one of those like rap name generators right now, so I can figure out what mine would be. Oh man,
Hot as fuck.
that's so not creative. What road did I grow up on? Abbey Lane was one of them.
Abby, so what was your
Abby, I already don't like what it's going.
I don't like where it's going.
What was that? First pet? Sarah. What? Is my stripper name Abby Sarah?
Abby Sarah, that's what I
If
thought.
you tip me enough, I'll tell you my pronouns. What do you do now? Long story? That's what my stripper name would have been.
Long story.
Prove it? No. There's not enough money in this fucking room. Absolutely not.
Absolutely not.
Yeah, I do actually. What do you do? Yeah, bitch, you don't have money. Absolutely not. You think I'm gonna airdrop my dick pics and fucking brake clips over there? Absolutely not. Don't forget your roots. You can dye yours.
I love this. I have to go to one of his shows. I really do. I have to go.
That was great. That was really good. That was really good. Oh man. Okay, Liberty. I have to wrap things up here in a moment. I know there's nothing else to do. I know that. We'll go to Diamonds. Yeah, we can all chip in on somebody's school supplies.
What's crazy is they do, I don't want to say paint the narrative because I think it's true, but it'll be like, oh, you know, I use this money to do this, and it's like, it's absolutely true. That's what's crazy. It's sad. It's crazy. I don't even know. I don't even know what to say. Wow. You really got girls in the strip club paying for college tuitions, shaking a little ass. That's yeah. Listen, I don't knock it. Get your money, get your coin, okay? You do what you do. Basically, do what you do. Comment down below who is your favorite comedian. Comment the next reaction you would like for me to do. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, click those links down below. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video.